Good day, everyone. My name is Renarxem Arcangel, BSIT 3A. Today, today for this video is I'm creating mood board and management system. First, first is gagawa po ako ng mood board. Ang unang gagawin ko po is yung navbar. Actually, meron na pong natapos na navbar po dito. Then this is our navbar. Yan, simpleng navbar lang po ang ginamit ko po. Then second is the text na gagamitin ko po. And this is the text. I'll copy the all text. Ito po yung pangalawa. Yun po. Para makita po ng maayos. Second is the text ulit. Then this is the text po. Third, the image. The image of navbar. This is the image what we need to use it. And this is the layout of our ito po yung layout po ng ating login. Yan, ganyan lang po siya. And in the registration is ito po. Ito po ang ating registration. Yan po. And our icon is our icon. And our logo is our logo. Yan. Yan lang po ang ating ginawa para makapag-create ng simpleng dashboard. I mean system management. And we will run now. First, the login. And this is our registration. Yan. Ito po ang ating homepage. Welcome to Essential Veterinarian Clinic. Yan. Itong mga navbar po natin is merong mga cover. And this is our location. Patient list. Ganyan lang po siya. About. Yan. Then, pag kinlik po natin to, babalik po tayo sa my homepage. And this is our logout. And this is my simple management system. Yan. hover lang po yung ginamit ko po dito sa mga to po, then connect lang po sa prototype. Ayan. Is ito po yung ginamit po natin na nandoon po sa ating mood board. Ayan. And that's it. Thank you everyone.